Hi everyone, we're going to go through practice 2-2. So let's go up and first read the directions. So this is subtraction meanings. And what we're going to be doing is writing a number sentence for each situation. And then we're going to be solving it. So we do need to put the answer. So it looks like all of these, or this first little batch, are word problems. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to read through the word problem. Terrence has 14 CDs. Robin has 9 CDs. How many more CDs does Terrence have than Robin? So the first thing I like to do is pull out the numbers that I see, and I'm going to highlight them. And we do this a lot in 3rd grade where we highlight important information. So the numbers are really important. So the 14 and then the 9. Now, other things that come out as being important are CDs, because that is the label that goes along with the number or the digits. So what are we talking about with the 14, or what are we talking about with the 9? Well, we're talking about CDs. The other words that are important are how many more and than. I know that when I see this combination of many more and than, that my problem is going to be a subtraction problem. So I have, let me get my handy dandy pen. So I have my big number, my whole is 14. And then, because that's how many Terrence has, how many more does Terrence have than Robin, which is 9. Come on, pen. And then this little box right here is kind of almost, if you want to, you can, this is what I like to do, draw a line down there to see the difference between the two. So if this is 9, which should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, yep. And I draw a line down, there should be 9 on the bottom because that's how many Terrence has. And then this is these are the leftovers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 should be your answer. Now, in a word problem, 5 is not just the answer or the difference in this case, since it's a subtraction problem. You also need to label it. And by labeling it, I mean you need to add CDs so that we know what is being talked about. Okay? Okay, let's go to the next one, number 2. My hand dandy. So, how many more black stars are there than white stars? So we're talking about many more. Ooh, that's not what I want to do. Sorry, guys. So I have my many more. So let me highlight it. Nope. All right. We roll with things. So I'm just going to underline it then. The many more and than. So they're comparing the black stars to the white stars. And again, you can draw a line to show that they're even with one another and how many are going to be left over. So I know that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of the black stars. And I'm comparing, so there's my than. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the white stars. And for my difference, my leftovers, I have 1, 2, 3. So 3 stars. And I'm going to go back and fill this one in too so that you guys have the answer to this. So it's 14 minus 9 equals 21. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals the 5 CDs. I'm just teasing. Okay, so for the next part, it's going to be your guys' responsibility to go back and to finish the rest of the page on your own for practice 2-2. So just remember things that we talked about. Highlight or underline, however you want to bring out your numbers to the word problem, the label to the word problem, and then those important words like many more, than, so that you can tell the difference with a word problem if it's going to be addition or subtraction. Okay? If you have any problems, just ask when we come back to class because we'll go over these when you guys come back.